welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well. On today, I wanted to give this rubber band style a try. It's super cute and super trendy. I got me some colorful rubber bands. I think I got those from Target. But yeah, I'm going to do it on this wig that I made with hair sent to me from Ashimary Hair. They sent me 4 bundles of 28 inches and then a 20-inch lace frontal. I did construct this wig myself. I hand sewed it myself. I did bleach my knots and I did pluck my hairline. It did come pre-plucked, but I went in for a more detailed plucking. I did go ahead and lay down my baby hair so that when I styled this wig, it would be super easy for me to put it on. So when I started doing this style, I did my squares like really small. I honestly was not intending on doing them that small, but when I started, I kind of measured it wrong in my head, so I just kept going. But it turned out really cute either way. I liked it, but it took me a minute to do it because my squares were so small. So if you don't have a lot of time and you want to do it quick, make your squares or your parting spaces bigger. That way you can get through it faster. I tried to capture as much as I could so that it could make sense if anybody wanted to kind of know how to do it if you didn't know. But it's super simple, super easy. I'm going to be quiet so you can look at the clips, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So y'all see, I'm doing my squares. I'm just taking each square and I'm doing the rubber bands. Like I'm going ahead and portioning out all of my squares. If you want to do it faster, you can go ahead on and do a square, add the rubber band, then add that hair to the next portion. That way, you know, you can pretty much style it all in one. But I just did all of my squares individually first and then went back in and connected them. Okay, so I'm showing y'all all of my individual squares that I did. It took, Lord knows, it took a good minute. But yeah, I'm getting ready to connect my squares all together. I decided to be simple today and just connect all my squares going straight back. But if you want to be fancy or if you want to do something different, you can do crisscross. You can, you know, you can jazz it up however you want. You don't have to do it like this.
You see that pretty, so they dog them a bark. Loving the way you whine or you walk or you talk. So when time the body like a rocket, it a blast. The keys are in for the girl them top chance. Yellow, black, brown, slim or round, he not here. No matter the time of day, them fi get straight anywhere. Fi no rich, but if a style man a millionaire. Girl, if you advertise, you bring it in here. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. A nice a girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, hey, hotter than lava, yo. Hey, number one in the world, yeah. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. A nice a girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. You a burn up, yo. Hey.
Okay, so I am putting the hair all up in a high half up ponytail. Since my closure was my frontal is a 20-inch, and then my bundles is a 28-inch. The ponytail, a little limp, so I went in and added some spare hair. Now, I used all of my hair when I made my wig, so I did not have much hair. Like, this was some spare hair that I had in my stash, so I didn't have much hair that I could use to add to my ponytail. So I had to kind of like make it work and finesse it. But if I had my way, I would have definitely tried to save my 28, like some of my 28-inch, or get a whole nother 28-inch bundle and add it to my ponytail. That way it could have been super full like my bundles.
So what am I saying? Anyway, me did that. Fuck you to them there. Isn't it? Yeah, man, I'm saying, yo, my lady. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love it the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. A nice a girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love it the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. You a burn up. And so me go so pretty, them pretty, so the dog them a bark. Love it the way you whine or you walk and attack. So when you take money like a rocket, it a spark. Kiki is a hit when the girl them top top. White, black, brown, swing around in a tear. No matter the time I give them to get straight anywhere. Me no rich, but if I sell them, I'm a millionaire. Girl, if you have a try to sing it in here. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really love it the way you twist and a turn.
Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready to install the wig. I did go ahead and cut the lace while the baby hairs was still down. If you need to see how to do that, I'll link a video down below for you so you can see how to do it. But yeah, y'all, I love styling my wigs on my mannequin head because it just makes the install portion super quick. I could only imagine how this would have turned out if I did this whole entire style on my head.
Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. And as a girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. As my cover, girl, you a burn up. And as a girl, no me never heard of. You see that pretty, so they dog them a bark. Loving the way you whine or you walk or you talk. So when time the body like a rocket, it a blast. The keys are in for the girl them top chance. Yellow, black, brown, slim or round, he not here. No matter the time of day, them fi get straight anywhere. Fi no rich, but if a style man a millionaire. Girl, if you advertise, you bring it in here. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. A nice a girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, hey, hotter than lava, yo. Hey, number one in the world, yeah. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Really loving the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter
Alright, y'all, so of course I needed to put some of my makeup in the parts. I did put some on the lace before I installed it so I could make sure I covered everything, but I'm just going back in again to make sure everything is covered and blended and looking nice and scalpy. Y'all, this style came out so cute. I love this hair. I wish I had more hair to add to my ponytail though. That's the only thing I wish I had. So I try to go in and try to, like, you know, fluff it up, tease it up, make it look a little, you know, like it mesh with the hair, because if not it would have looked really limp. But it still came out super super cute. So yeah, y'all, again, this hair is from Ashimary Hair. I know I'm saying it wrong, so I do apologize. Shout out to them for sending me out this hair. I really, really like it. I love the length. I love the texture. Super, super pretty. But yes, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. All information is down below in the description box if you are interested in this hair and want to know more about it or want to check it out. Again, thank you so much for watching. Love y'all so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.